My name is Keri. I had a total knee replacement at AtlantiCare. I had a very worn down arthritic knee. It was completely bone to bone. I had 5 prior surgeries on it before this. I'm a softball trainer, was then, still now. It really affected it to a point where I like to interact with my athletes a lot. I need to be able to show them drills, get up and down with my catchers, but I couldn't stand for more than 15 minutes, so I was confined to just sitting on my bucket and telling them what to do. So it really wasn't the quality training that I wanted to provide for them. Just walking, just being able to get up and down off the floor, just taking my dog for a walk for less than 10 minutes. There's a lot of things that I couldn't do. At first, Dr. Orozco recommended gel shots, which we did. And when those didn't work, then it was like, okay, next step, knee replacement. I was like, okay, great. I chose Dr. Orozco because he was highly recommended to me, and I know that AtlantiCare has very good rapport with all my former athletes that I've dealt with that have come here, so I figured this would be the first place I looked, and it just worked out. A doctor's bedside manner was super important to me, solely because I've had good doctors in the past. However, I've also had bad doctors in the past too, which is how I ended up in this situation. So that was really important to me, and the first time I ever met Dr. Orozco and his team, they superseded any expectation that I had. The care that I received was very personalized. It wasn't just, oh, she had a total knee replacement, this is what you need. It was, oh, this is Keri, this is her case, this is what she went through, this is what she's experiencing, let's make sure she's taken care of. It was more personalized, and I've actually never had that experience with all my prior surgeries, so it was pretty cool to have that. My life has changed dramatically. It has taken a complete 180. Once I realized I didn't have to think about doing something, I was like, oh wow, I have a new lease on life. Being able to get stronger, gain more mobility, has affected my life across the board. So now I'm not confined to my bucket at work. I can get up and down with my catchers. I can run, not just walk my dog. Coaching my players and being able to start an organization with my best friends now that I can function again. I would tell them that they need to go see Dr. Orozco at AtlantiCare. That's what I would tell them. And it'll be the best decision that they ever made, because if this is just the beginning, I can't wait to see what's to come.